Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Sill's Kitchenette. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm making easiest chocolate tuxedo without baking. So have a look on the ingredients. We need 1 cup cream, 3 packets of digestive biscuits. You will find it easily in any grocery store. 1 cup dark chocolate, half bar of butter and half cup white chocolate. Now it's time to crush the biscuits. Now add 1/4 cup butter and mix it again. Now it's time to prepare the second layer with 1 cup dark chocolate and 1/4 cup cream. Now it's time to prepare the third layer with 2 tablespoons butter and half cup white chocolate and 3 tablespoons cream. This is how the chocolate tuxedo looks like. Hope you enjoy this easy recipe without baking and give me feedback. Recipe in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more recipes. Hope you like it.